So now I want to show you how to dismantle the airbrush, and this is important particularly when you're cleaning. So we're going to just unscrew the back off, and here is our needle, and as you can see this is what moves when it's attached. This here at the bottom can also unscrew, and that's what pushes the air through that little valve. This holds the needle in place, and so I'm going to remove that, and our needle should then just slide out. You've got to be very careful with these. They are needles and they will go right into your finger. They're exceptionally sharp, and unfortunately when you do anything too crazy with them, you jab them into things, they break or bend and become unusable. So you have to be really careful when you are taking them out or cleaning them. Next we're going to unscrew this back of the barrel. And there you go, there's the spring. And always remember which way this thing is loaded. Tab at the back facing backwards, and underneath it's going towards the front. There's the spring. This piece now comes out. That pushes into the valve to open up for air. There are two parts to this. And this one here comes off. And inside, in order to take that off, you need to have that special little spanner. And this is if you want to change to a 0.1mm or a 0.5mm. You need to change not just the needle, but the needle point. And there you go. This is now disassembled. This way you can also clean it if you need to by putting an airbrush thinner down there. And that is it.